Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today, we will explore 20 multiple choice general knowledge questions that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity across a variety of topics. Are you ready? Let's start. Question number 1. When was the World Health Organization established? Option A 1948, B 1950, C 1945 and D 1960. The correct answer is 1948. The World Health Organization WHO was established on April 7, 1948 with its headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. Question number 2. Which famous playwright wrote the play Andha Yug based on the Mahabharata? Option A Rabindranath Tagore, B Girish Karnad, C Bhisham Sani and D Dharamveer Bharti. The correct answer is Dharamveer Bharti. The play Andha Yug, originally written in Hindi and translated by Alok Bhalla in English, is also called The Blind Age, is a verse play written in 1954 by the renowned playwright by the Dharamveer Bharti, which is based on the ancient Sanskrit epic, the Mahabharata, written by sage Vedvyas. Question number 3. What was the initial name of the game of badminton before it gained its current name? A. Shuttle Smash, B. Puna, C. Shuttle Duel and D. Racket Rally. The correct answer is Puna. The game of badminton was originally called the Puna, after the city of Pune in India, which was played by British Army officers stationed in India in the 1860. The Badminton Association of England was formed in 1893, standardized the rules and regulation of the sport. Question number 4. What is the world's largest hot desert known for its expansive sand dune and extreme temperature? Option A Gobi Desert, B Arabian Desert, C Kalahari Desert and D Sahara Desert. The correct answer is Sahara Desert. The Sahara Desert is the world's largest hot desert, encompassing much of North Africa with an expanse of approximately 3.6 million square miles, characterized by its expansive sand dune and the extreme temperature. It represents one of the most iconic and challenging environments on Earth. Question number 5. How many workers were involved in the construction of Taj Mahal? A. 5,000, B. 10,000, C. 20,000 and D. 40,000. The correct answer is 20,000. Question number 6. Which one of the following rivers flow across China, India and Bangladesh? Option A Chang, Jiang, B Brahmaputra, C Indus and D Ganga. The correct answer is Brahmaputra. The Brahmaputra river originates in the Tibet region of China, then flows through India, northeastern state and finally enters Bangladesh. In Tibet it is called the Yarlung Tsangpo and in Bangladesh it is known as the Jamuna. Question number 7. Who was the ancient Egyptian god of the underworld and the afterlife? A. Thoth, B. Sobek, C. Anubis and D. Osiris. The correct answer is Osiris. Osiris was the ancient Egyptian god of the underworld and the afterlife. He was also the god of fertility, vegetation and the annual Nile flood. Question number 8. Which part of the respiratory system is responsible for gas exchange? A. Trachea, B. Bronchi, C. Alveoli and D. Larynx. The correct answer is alveoli. The alveoli are tiny air sacs located at the end of the bronchioles, which are branches of the air tube in lungs. When You breathe in oxygen-rich air, fill the alveoli. The alveoli are wrapped in tiny blood vessels called capillaries. Question number 9. Which metal is used by the jewelers to make gold and platinum ornaments heavier? A. Rhodium, B. Thorium, C. Erbium, and D. Iridium. The correct answer is iridium. Question number 10. What do the cypress tree in the Taj Mahal garden symbolize? A. Wealth, B. Eternal life, C. Royalty, and D. Power. The correct answer is eternal life. Question number 11. Which famous poet described the Taj Mahal as a teardrop on the cheek of time? A. Mirza Ghalib, B. John Keats, C. Rabindranath Tagore, and D. William Wordsworth. The correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 12. Which country won the first women volleyball world championship? A. Soviet Union, B. United States, C. Brazil, and D. Japan. The correct answer is Soviet Union. The Soviet Union won the first women volleyball world championship in 1952, stabilizing their dominance in the sport during that era. Question number 13. Which of the gas is not known as a greenhouse gas? A. Methane, B. Nitrous oxide, C. Carbon dioxide, and D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is hydrogen. Question number 14. Which of the following is the target organ of antidiuretic hormone? A. Kidney, B. Heart, C. Liver, and D. Lungs. The correct answer is kidney. The target organ of antidiuretic hormone is the kidney. ADH primarily acts on the kidney to regulate water reabsorption, thus controlling the amount of urine produced. Question number 15. In daylight, the human eye is most sensitive to which color? A. Red, B. Blue, C. Yellowish green, and D. Orange. The correct answer is yellowish green. The human eye is most sensitive to yellowish green color in the daylight. The sensitivity of the human eye to light of a certain intensity vary strongly over the wavelength range between 380 and 800 nanometer. Question number 16. Name a gas which is used in making a chloroform. A. Methane, B. Propane, C. Butane, and D. Acetylene. The correct answer is methane. Question number 17. In which year was the Badminton World Federation founded to govern the sport internationally? A. 1946, B. 1934, C. 1952, and D. 1961. The correct answer is 1934. It was founded on 5 July 1934 as the International Badminton Federation with 9 members nations: Canada, Denmark, England, France, Ireland, Netherlands, New Zealand, Scotland, and Wales. Question number 18. Which river is known as the Mother River in China and is considered the country cradle of civilization? A. Yangtze, B. Yellow River, C. Pearl River, and D. Mekong. The correct answer is Yellow River. The Yellow River has many names including the Honghe River, Mother River, Cradle of Civilization, and the China Pride and the China Sorrow. The river is 3,398 miles long and runs through 7 provinces. The river being in the Qinghai Mountain and end at the Bo Sea. Question number 19. In which country did ice hockey originate? Option A. United States, B. Russia, C. Sweden, and D. Canada. The correct answer is Canada. Ice hockey originated in Canada. The first organized game of ice hockey was played in Montreal, Quebec, Canada on March 3, 1875. Ice hockey is Canada's official national winter sports. Question number 20. What was the primary raw material used for crafting seals and the sculpture in the art of Indus Valley Civilization? A. Marble, B. Granite, C. Stataline, and D. Limestone. The correct answer is statine. The primary raw material used for crafting seals and sculpture in the Indus Valley Civilization was statite, a soft stone. Other materials used included terracotta, copper, agate, chert, ivory, and the faience. The Indus Valley Civilization also produced bronze statues of humans and the animals using the lost wax technique. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.